my name is Prasad Kulkarni. You are watching my channel PK's Concept. Today's topic is inertia, and lastly we see the difference between mass and inertia. To know the concept of inertia, we first know the Newton's first law of motion, that is, an object at rest stays at rest, an object in motion stays in motion with same speed and same direction unless acted upon an unbalanced force. It simply means the object keep on doing what they are doing. Object at rest position prefers to stay in rest position. An object in motion prefers to stay in motion. This tendency of an object is known as inertia. Newton's first law of motion is also known as law of inertia. This object you see having same moment of inertia? No, my friends, because an object tendency is to resist change in state of motion, but it is different at every case. So object's mass is greater, the greater is the moment of inertia acting on that object. Here you see two objects A and B. First object A is heavy and large, and B is small and light in weight. So which one is easy to push? Obviously B1 is easy to push. So from this example we know that heavier is the object, the more is its tendency to resist. Lastly we see the difference between inertia and mass. So we know that inertia is tendency of an object to resist change in state of motion, and mass is an measure of its inertia.